Hey everybody, it's Christina Holloway here, and welcome back to Leadership Basics. In today's quick video, I want to help you shift something small that can make a big difference in how you show up at work. Here's the deal. Most of us, especially women and especially in tense environments, get into the habit of softening our language. We don't want to come off as rude or pushy, so we lead with a little apology. And before we know it, it's baked into our everyday communications. If you've ever found yourself saying, I just wanted to ask, or sorry, quick question, this one's for you. All right, so let's get started. When you're constantly apologizing for taking up space, even in small ways, it chips away at how confident and capable you sound. And over time, people stop hearing you as a leader. They hear you as someone who's uncertain, even when you're not. Now, I'm not saying you should bulldoze into every conversation. Politeness is great, empathy is great, but confidence and clarity also great, and those don't require an apology. So, let's look at the three most common phrases I hear and what to say instead. Number one, as in, I just wanted to ask you a quick question. This one's sneaky. It shows up everywhere. I just wanted to follow up, or I just thought I'd check in. It sounds like you're asking for permission to speak. Here's a quick switch. Instead of, I just wanted to follow up, say, I'm following up on this. That tiny tweak removes the hesitation and gives you more presence in the conversation. You don't need to over explain. You're allowed to show up with a clear message. Number two, sorry to bother you. I hear this all the time, especially from people who are reaching out to senior leaders. You are not a bother. If what you're doing is part of your role or responsibilities, then it's expected. You're not being rude, you're doing your job. Try saying, when you have a moment, I'd like to connect on this, or even just quick question when you're free. That still sounds respectful, but without the apology. Number three, I think this one sounds harmless, but it creates distance between you and your opinion. It's the difference between sounding like a participant and sounding like a decision maker. Instead of saying, I think we should delay the meeting, try, I recommend we delay the meeting. Or based on what I'm seeing, I suggest we delay the meeting. That shift shows you've thought it through and you're owning your contribution. Now, let me be honest. Cutting these habits takes practice, especially if you've been in environments where being too direct got you labeled as difficult or aggressive. But here's what I tell my clients. You can be clear and kind, direct and respectful. You're not giving up your values, you're stepping into your power. Here's a simple challenge. The next time you write an email or prep for a meeting, look for these phrases. I just, sorry, and I think. Pick one to replace. Don't try to overhaul your whole communication system in one day. Just practice awareness. Once you notice it, you can start shifting it, and that shift adds up. These are small language changes, but they signal a big shift in how people see you, and more importantly, how you see yourself. If this helped, let me know in the comments and tell me which phrase you're cutting first. And if you want more quick wins like this, don't forget to subscribe. I post 5-minute career tips every other week so you can lead with more confidence without the fluff. If you'd like to go further, feel free to download my communication toolkit, which I've linked in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.